IP to me is simply creations of the mind that can be used for commercial purposes.
Why do patents exist? Patents exist to encourage innovation. And so one way to encourage innovation is, please, as you're doing your research, don't stop at Google Scholar, Google, ChatGPT, Gemini. I think there's DeepSeek. Yes, go to the patent databases.
As Africa, we need to read patent journals because you might be able to use an invention for free until someone comes and realizes that, oh, he's making money out of my invention, then decides to come and file. But then you cannot file for the same application or same invention. You could tweak it, improve it, file for those improvements, but you cannot file for the backbone of that invention.